Hello. My name is Humphrey Solomon Jr. Welcome to my channel. Our today's video presentation is about finding the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. I will also include a step-by-step guide in using the Casio ClassWiz calculator in getting the inverse of a matrix. Before we continue, please watch my other tutorials and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, to find the inverse of a 2x2 matrix, we have here matrix A. The formula for the inverse of matrix A in words. Take the original matrix. Switch the elements A and D. Change the signs of the elements B and C. Multiply the new matrix by 1 over the determinant of the original matrix. Now, what happens when you multiply a matrix by its inverse? First, what happens when you multiply a number by its inverse? We get a value of 1. Now, given the following matrices which are inverses, let's see what will happen when we multiply them. For the element A11, we have 8 times 2, plus negative 3 times 5. For the element A21, we have negative 5 times 2, plus 2 times 5. For the element A12, we have 8 times 3, plus negative 3 times 8. For the element A22, we have negative 5 times 3, plus 2 times 8. Solving each of the elements, we will get an identity matrix. Therefore, a matrix, multiplied to its inverse, will give an identity matrix as the product. Let's have example number 1. Find the inverse of the matrix below. So, take the original matrix. Switch the elements 3 and 2. Change the signs of the elements 1 and 5. Multiply the new matrix by 1 over the determinant of the original matrix. We will see that the inverse is equal to the matrix shown. Now, to be able to check if this inverse is correct, let's try to multiply and see if we will get an identity matrix. For the element A11, we have 3 times 2, plus 1 times negative 5. For the element A21, we have 5 times 2, plus 2 times negative 5. For the element A12, we have 3 times negative 1, plus 1 times 3. For the element A22, we have 5 times negative 1, plus 2 times 3. Solving each of the elements, we will get an identity matrix, so the inverse is correct. Now, let's have example number 2. Find the inverse of the matrix below. So, take the original matrix. Switch the elements 7 and 1. Change the signs of the elements 4 and 2. Multiply the new matrix by 1 over the determinant of the original matrix. We will see that the inverse is equal to the matrix shown. Now, for example number 3, we will check the inverse of the matrix in example number 2, using the Casio ClassWiz calculator. In matrix mode, first, let's define a matrix. Let's choose matrix A. Enter the number of rows, select 2. Enter the number of columns, select 2. Input the elements from the given matrix. Clear the screen using the AC key. Press the Option key. And then select matrix A, option 3. Press the key for the inverse of X. Now, press the equals key. You now see, the inverse of the matrix in number 2, is the same from the result using calculator. I hope this video helped you learn about finding the inverse of a 2x2 matrix, and also how to use the Casio ClassWiz calculator in finding the inverse of a matrix. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. Also, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next videos. Always remember, sharing is caring. Have a nice day. Hello. My name is